silver futures. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 100 chart. We are in positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. We bounced right off the 150 moving average, this red line, and that is at a price of $21.37. With the 4-hour chart, we are in slightly positive MACD. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $19.28, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $20.12. My stop loss is at $18.90. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $20.18, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $19.67, and my stop loss is at $20.57. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or wicket trading, silver futures has a 43% chance to climb between 0 to 2%, a 43% chance to climb between 2 to 5%. To the downside, it has a 14% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.